Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? That's the question we'll be exploring in this video. We've already shared an initial report on our website, but now we're diving even deeper to provide you with a more detailed analysis. To stay up to date on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We want to make sure you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a buy candidate and given it a score of 2.66. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 20.31% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 20 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been providing a return of 1.02% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents an excellent opportunity for short-term traders to consider selling, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks above the top trend line at $211.46, it indicates an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 31.32% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return range of 17.81% to 32.19%. Turning to the 12-month trend, we anticipate a 71.15% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return range of 40.93% to 71.92%. So, after a year, the stock could be priced between $296.04 and $361.15. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike brings exciting news. CrowdStrike stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Monday, November 27, 2023, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a slight decline of -0.280%, dropping from $210.66 to $210.07. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $207.57 and a high of $213.14, showing a 2.68% variation. Interestingly, the stock has shown a positive trend, rising in 7 of the last 10 days and registering a gain of 7.01% over the past 2 weeks. However, there was a recent increase in trading volume by 2 million shares, occurring alongside falling prices. This could be an early indication of a potential risk in the coming days. In total, approximately $823.14 million worth of stock was bought and sold, with 4 million shares changing hands. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached $213.14, while the lowest price was $92.25. As of now, the current stock price is 1.44% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $3.07. Additionally, it is 29.62% below the all-time high of $298.48, which was recorded on November 10, 2021. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for CRWD. Let's start with the most recent report from Needham on Monday, November 27, 2023. They gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Deutsche Bank also weighed in. They gave CRWD an overweight grade with a hold action. Now, let's go back to Thursday, October 19, 2023. Jefferies gave CRWD a cautious grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, September 21, 2023, both BMO Capital and Wedbush shared their ratings. BMO Capital gave CRWD an outperform grade with a hold action, while Wedbush also gave it an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given CrowdStrike stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for CrowdStrike. The stock of CrowdStrike has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves downwards, it will find support at the levels of $208.34 and $190.49. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. Moreover, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator. However, there are also some negative signals that have been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. On Friday, November 24, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.280% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the volume of the stock rose on falling prices, which can be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Today, we're going to discuss some interesting signals that you should pay attention to in your trading strategy. One signal to consider is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provide valuable information, with a buy signal occurring 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal that occurred 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal that occurred 21 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 60 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. On this chart, the short moving average indicates a buy signal 18 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a sell signal that occurred 146 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal that occurred 179 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has a couple to watch out for. The first support level is at $181.82, just below today's stock price. If the stock breaks this level, it may fall to the next support level at $176.69. So, it's important to keep an eye on these levels to understand where the stock might go next. Now, let's talk about the risk involved. CrowdStrike is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. The stock can move a lot during the day, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In fact, just in the last day, the stock moved $5.57 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 2.68% change. Over the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.06%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled for November 28, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.740. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If CrowdStrike follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $210.66. If you don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike faces its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analysts, CrowdStrike has a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 13, 2023, Podbear Bert W. sold a total of 30,500 shares of Class A common stock. On November 13, 2023, Gandhi Samir K. also conducted an insider sell, disposing of 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. Another insider sell occurred on November 13, 2023, with Sullivan Godfrey selling 150,000 shares of Class A common stock. On October 11, 2023, Roxanne S. Austin sold 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on October 9, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey conducted another insider sell, this time disposing of 2,713 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -16.423. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 1,036,324 shares and sold 1,325,442 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $204.85, which represents a decrease of 2.49%. This stock experiences significant daily movements, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is at 81, indicating an increased level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found just 1 day ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals indicating a potential buying opportunity for CrowdStrike stock in the short term. The overall trend is favorable, leading us to upgrade our analysis conclusion from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued, adding to the attractiveness of the stock. Looking ahead to Tuesday, November 28, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will open with a gain of $0.190, starting trading at $210.26. Trading carries a significant risk of losing money, so it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. It's important to note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.